In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see recent documents in Microsoft Word. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to quickly reopen a file you were working on without having to search through folders on your computer. Whether you're switching between multiple projects or simply picking up where you left off, accessing recent documents can save you a lot of time. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. When Word launches, it usually displays the home screen by default. On this screen, you'll see a section labeled Recent. This area lists the files you've opened most recently, arranged in order from newest to oldest. Simply click on any document in this list to open it instantly. If your document isn't immediately visible, you can scroll down through the list to find older files. Word typically keeps a history of many recently opened documents, so chances are your file will still be there. If you've already opened a blank document and are inside the editing view, you can still access the recent list. Click on the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Home or Open depending on your version of Word. You'll see the Recent section displayed there as well. Another helpful feature is the ability to pin documents. If there's a file you use frequently, hover your mouse over it in the Recent list and click the small pin icon next to its name. This keeps the document at the top of your list even as you open other files. It's a simple way to keep important documents easily accessible. If you're signed in with a Microsoft account, your recent documents may also include files stored in OneDrive. This allows you to quickly access documents across different devices as long as you're logged in to the same account. In case you don't see any recent documents, make sure you've previously opened or saved files in Word. The recent list only displays documents that have been accessed before. And that's it. Viewing recent documents in Microsoft Word is quick and straightforward, helping you work more efficiently without wasting time searching for files. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.